Hey everyone, want to change your profile picture in Mobile Legends Bang Bang? It's super easy. I will show you how to do it in just a few steps. First, open the Mobile Legends game and go to the main lobby. Tap on your profile icon, then tap on the edit icon, which looks like a small pencil right next to your profile picture. From here, you will see different options depending on how your account is linked. If your account is linked to Moonton, you will only be able to select the preset avatars provided by the game. Scroll through and pick your favorite one. If your account is linked to Facebook, Google Play, or VK, mobile users will automatically synchronize your profile picture from that platform. To change it, simply update your profile picture on the linked platform. Then restart Mobile Legends and it should update automatically. If the picture doesn't change right away, clear your game cache by going to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or depending on your phone model, then Mobile Legends, Storage, then clear cache and relaunch the game. That's it, your profile picture is now updated. Enjoy your fresh new look and let your friends see your new avatar. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more Mobile Legends tips. See you in the land of dawn.